Hello, traders, and welcome back to Risforfreedom. Today, we finally gonna talk about the market. Okay, so what we're gonna do today is find out what is the financial market. Okay, how does it work? And how many type of financial markets are there? Okay, so let's get started. So, definition of financial market. A financial market is a marketplace where people trade financial securities and derivatives at low transaction cost. Financial markets provide an avenue for selling and purchasing assets such as bonds, stocks, foreign exchange, and derivatives. Okay, let's dumb it down a little bit. So, what is a financial market? A financial market is a place where you can trade various type of financial products. What are these products? Like stocks, foreign exchanges, crypto, and go on. Okay, so basically that's the definition of a financial market. To understand how does it works, we need to understand that there must be a product, let's say financial product that can be bought and sold. Okay, the more people are interested at this product, the more its supply and demand increase / decrease, the more liquidity it gets. Okay, the best example of this is Bitcoin. When Bitcoin was born, nobody actually really cared about it. So there was a certain amount of demand and supply. When people start to notice and understand the value of Bitcoin, they start to buy it, increasing the demand and decreasing the supply, causing the price to skyrocket. Okay, now let's understand what is supply and what is the demand. The easiest example I can give of to understand the supply and the demand is think about you're stuck in an island, okay? And in this island there are 100 people, okay? We all need to survive, we need to eat, okay? Let's say in the whole island there is only one fish. How much that fish will cost? It will cost at least $1 million, at least, because there is only one fish that has to be divided for 100 people. So there is only little low supply and a lot of demand, causing the price to increase. Let's say you're still stuck in an island, okay? And there are still your 100 people, okay? Now, let's say for one person, there are 100 fish. How much each fish would cost? Each fish would cost nothing because the demand, no, sorry, because the supply beat the demand, causing the price to drop. Okay, this is actually how the market works. Okay, now we know what is the market, what is the financial market, how it works. Now we're gonna take a look on how many type of financial markets are there, so you can identify which one is the best for you. So always do your own research. That's super important. So type of financial markets. Capital markets, which consist on stocks and bonds. This is mostly linked with companies like Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, and go on. Commodities, which is, as you can see, cocoa, coffee, sugar, grains, and all this kind of stuff. So there is derivatives, which provide instruments for management of financial risk. There is future markets, which provides standardized forward contract for trading products at some future date. Foreign exchange market, which facilitate the trade of foreign exchange like euro, dollar, pound, whatever. Cryptocurrency, which facilitate the trading of digital assets and financial technologies. Spot markets and interbank lending markets. What I suggest to focus on is stocks, derivatives, futures, forex, and crypto. I'm not a big fan of commodities. There's not really a reason, but if you actually like trading seasons, so if you work in that type of field, I think commodities is the best market you can go into. I'm not gonna go into all the details. Uh, it's not gonna cost you nothing to do a little research to understand which market fits the best for you. Okay, so let's make a little recap. So we understood what is the market. Is a financial market is a place where you can trade various type of financial products. How does it works? There must be a financial product, which can be stock, commodity, forex, foreign exchange, whatever, that can be bought and sold. The more people are interested in this product, the more its value and its demand and supply increase or decrease. We understand what is the demand and what is the supply, and we took a brief look on how many type of financial market are there. I think for today that's it. If you have any question, don't do it. Make your own research, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.